Hello everyone, welcome to Aosite channel. We have 30 years of professional home hardware manufacturing experience. Aim to provide high quality OEM service for our customers. In the pre-sale stage, we communicate the details with customer. To understand the customer's need, provide assistance. After a full understanding, we need to provide them relevant product information, technical answers, and professional product solutions. At the same time, to provide product logo design, packing design, sampling design, etc., in order to meet the needs of different customers. Of course, we will also provide quotation and sample for your confirmation. After both parties have reached a deal, picture and video of the product will be shared with our customer. And we must to make sure the customer is satisfied of the product before proceeding to mass production. Each batch of delivery orders in strict accordance with EN19V5 quality standards to ensure that each batch of products is 100% qualified. In the after-sales stage, we can provide full logistic tracking service to ensure that the products can be delivered to customers in time. After the customer receives the products, we will regularly follow up the customer's use feedback and solve the problems they encounter in the process of the using product. If there is any quality complaint, we will deal with it within 48 hours and provide an effective solution according to the customer's selling situation in their local area, to give the order returns plan and new product recommendation in advance. We also share the latest information of China market trends and products with our customers, so they can learn more. We have a perfect OEM service process, always focusing on home hardware as a concept, focusing on excellence to do a good job. If you need any home hardware products, welcome to contact us.